Hello everyone, my name is Marie with Viana Care, and in today's video we are going to have a look at a rather unique product, the Eldermafill Hair Forest Ampoules. We'll go over what this product is, the benefits, and we'll also have a look at a procedure performed by Sage Wellington, who will be microneedling the product using the Dr. pen. Let's get started. What are the Eldermafill Hair Forest Ampoules? Eldermafill produces promising therapeutic agents to improve aging and replenish the skin. It helps to improve the hair circulation cycle and contains growth factors and peptides necessary for hair follicle formation. This product helps improve the condition of the hair and the scalp. What are the benefits? Let's go over a few benefits of using the Eldermafill Ampoules. Revitalize the scalp condition, microcirculation of the hair follicle zone, increase the growth of hair, helps battle hair loss, and has an anti-inflammatory effect. How to use Eldermafill. After shampooing, it can be applied directly to the scalp, which has been completely dried, or it can be applied after MTS. This product is meant to be used with the Hydra pen, Hydra roller, Hydra stamp, or microneedling device. If the hair loss is drastic, then an undiluted 5 ml vial should be used for one treatment once per week for 10 weeks. Then this should be repeated after 6 months. In case of slight hair loss, divide one bottle by 2 times or 3 times. Dilute one vial with 0.9% saline and use half of the vial at a time. The mixing dilution ratio is 1:1. Use each treatment every 7 days for 6 to 10 sessions and repeat this after 6 months. Now, let's have a look at a procedure performed by Sage Wellington. But before we do that, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on that notification bell so you can be the first one to find out when we post new content.
Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is wash your hands, which I just did. I'm also going to be applying hand sanitizer. I like doing both just to be as sterile as I can. You want to be very sterile and very sanitized when working with needles of any kind, anywhere on your body. Even though I'm just microneedling my scalp, you still don't want to develop any kind of infection. So I have sanitized and washed, and I'm going to be applying my gloves. So when you open up the product, you will see 4 different vials here. So the whole container contains 4 vials that are each 5 milliliters. And you also have a applicator here in the middle. And each vial is considered one whole session, and you definitely want to do this in sessions. Give yourself about 2 weeks to heal in between each one, and then continue the sessions until you start seeing your desired results in the hair growth. Okay, so I have one out of the package. I'm going to set it on my table here that has a dental bib layer, and I'm going to set up my Dr. pen. So today I am using a 36 needle tip. You want to make sure that everyone is not opened and that they are fresh right out of the packaging. I'm going to just pop this guy right into the Dr. pen. Okay, so to turn the Dr. pen on, you just want to press the button that's on the front for 2 seconds, and then you can hear it is buzzing and it's ready to go. Once it is turned on, that is when you want to set the depth of the needles. You don't want to set the depth first. You want to turn on the pen and then set it deeper if that's what you want to do. Okay, so before I pull my hair back, I think I want to start on this little bald circle there. So like I mentioned, I know it's really small, but it's just one of those things that I see it all the time when I'm doing my hair, and I want to help him grow back. And I know that this product will help me do that. So I'm just opening the cap off of the vial and taking off that foil layer, and then you will have what looks like this. So it does come with a sanitized like silicone cap, and you just pop that right off. So since this area is small, I'm going to start just with a little dab right on that area. Make sure the pen has enough liquid and enough slip. So I'm putting kind of a lot right there, but not like too much, just dabbing it on that circle so that now you can kind of see the product is lathered in that one area. Remember to place the cap back on to keep the product inside extremely sterile. Okay, so for this product, I am going to be using the depth of 0.25. It is on my scalp, so I don't want to go too deeply. Hair follicles sit right at the upper dermis layers of your skin, so there's no need to go very deep, like a medically depth of the needles. So I turned it on and I am going to set the Dr. Pen at 0.25. Just like that. And now you can go ahead and begin. Since he is a little circle, I'm just going to do little stamps right there. And this does not hurt at all. There's no pain whatsoever. The deeper you go, the more pain you may experience, but at 0.25, it really just feels like a vibration. Make sure you are sticking to just small circular motions, or like I mentioned, you can kind of stamp. Just make sure that you are not applying much pressure. There's no need to press down hard at all. Let the Dr. Pen and the 36 needles do the work for you. Okay, I actually don't feel too much at all, so I'm gonna go a tiny bit deeper, and let's go up to 0.5. Okay, I feel it. It's not painful still, but you can just feel the difference. So this definitely you have to do in sessions. You want to make sure it's getting that constant peptides from the serum. So definitely microneedle with the Eldermafill every couple of weeks until you start seeing your results. Okay, so I think I got this part pretty good. I'm just gonna rub that serum right over just a couple seconds. Okay, so for the temples of my hair, I'm going to pull it back into a bun so that the rest of this hair is not in my way. Okay, so my hair is pulled back. So since this little circle was about 1 inch back, I did not wipe it down because I just shampooed my hair and let it air dry. I do have my makeup done. I avoided putting foundation around my hairline, but I am still going to use an alcohol wipe and just get right at these edges of my hair and make sure my temples are very sanitized. Kind of want to separate your hair and just make sure it's all clean. In the front as well, and same thing to this side. Make sure your skin is sanitized and free of any dirt or makeup. Alright, so let's start on this side. This side to me is a little bit more troublesome than this side. You can see all the baby hairs there, but this side doesn't have like as much growth. So that's the side I'm gonna start with. So I'm just opening my cap and I'm going to apply it with my fingers just so that I can start massaging it. Make sure you get it in to your scalp and not just on the tops of your hairs. So I'm using my fingers and my nails to comb it into my scalp. Okay, so I still have the depth at 0.5, and I'm going to turn on the Dr. pen and just start in those circular motions. Right along my hairline. So I'm trying to part my hair just so that I can get very deeply onto my hairline, and then I'm getting all the areas that I experienced the most postpartum hair loss. And again, there is no pain. I might even go a little bit deeper because I want to make sure it's really getting into those hair follicles. So once you part your hair, run it along that part. This feels so good. Microneedling feels so good to me. I don't know why. So I'm going to part again and run that over just every time you part it, because you want to make sure you're getting into the areas that need it. Part and back and forth. So next I'm going to focus right in this middle part of my hairline. Don't be afraid to use a lot of the product. You want to make sure you use the whole vial in one session just to optimize on the potential hair growth with this product, and also help with the slip with the Dr. pen and the microneedling. You never want to microneedle over any dry skin. Make sure the product is lathered on. So same method here, just working it into my hairline. So another thing I'm doing is starting at my hairline and then slowly just microneedling back so that I get a little bit past my hairline as well. I'm also gonna part in the front. Alright, so we have done the right side of my temple and the middle part of my hairline. So the last little part that I want to do is my left temple. When I experienced my hair loss from postpartum, for me it fell out mostly at the sides of my head and my temple. So we want to make sure that they get most of the product. Alrighty, so I am done microneedling my scalp. I do have a little bit left of the product, and I am going to take that in my hands and massage over every part that I just microneedled, and let that sit all night and just soak up into those tiny little micro punctures that are going to just help my hair follicles to suck up all of those peptides and the nutrients and the growth. Okay, so that is one whole vial on my hair. It feels really good. I promise you guys the microneedling does not hurt, and I went up to a depth of 0.5 for this procedure. So yeah, but that is all for the Eldermafill. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will most definitely be doing more sessions on this product and tracking my hair growth in the areas that I did experience postpartum hair loss. If you are interested in watching my journey and watching my hair grow, definitely check out my YouTube channel. It is Sage Wellington, and you can find more videos on this product and so much more there. So until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.
I hope this was useful and you learned something new. If you have any questions about this product or any other content suggestions, let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe because we post new content every single week. I hope to see you again next time. Bye!